Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a Boxycharm video. Now I am going to be putting these products on my face. I did open them up because I did previously try and record this video and it didn't really want to upload or do anything. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoy it and subscribe to my channel so you guys can see future videos. So let's just jump right into it. Since, what is it? I just forgot. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. You pay $21 and you get 5 full-size items. It can range from hair care to nail care to mostly makeup. I've gotten mostly makeup. You've gotten brushes and all that kind of stuff, and eyeshadow palettes, which are my favorite. So you always get like a little card in the month. The theme is Galaxy Glow, and it says everything on the back and the prices and everything, which is really good for someone who, you know, doesn't get Boxycharm, but they've been wanting this and they know how much they, you know, it's good to know where your money's going. So I'm just going to grab everything that, like, just randomly. I did, like I said, I do know what's in this box because I did open it. I did do a video and it just didn't work out. So I'm going to pull out the first thing, which is the Pure Exfo Lips, and it's, let me see, the Pure the Complexion Authority is the brand. Exfo Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator, and it retails for $17. It says, with an instant boost of shea butter, raw sugar, and exfoliating beads, this 4-in-1 lip scrub pencil exfoliates, plumps, and hydrates and soothes, using the shea butter to soften, while the raw sugar exfoliates and exfoliating beads are used to buff away dead surface cells. It moisturizes the lips for a plumper, softer, and smoother lip. Okay, so I'm going to give this one a shot. Now, I didn't get my little box that I was talking about in my little vlog style video, so I know I'm going to be getting it today, so you will see a video of that on Saturday. So I'm just going to be, ooh, it's nice. It's definitely getting away a lot. Ooh. Feels very... Now I got a lot of dead skin. It smells good though. I mean, I don't know if it's a good thing or not. I'm gonna go put some over here. Blech. Okay, I'm just gonna go and wipe this off of camera, and I will let you guys know what I think of it when I get back. Okay, so I don't notice any sort of like plumping. They may just mean, like, since you got all the dead skin and they're all moisturized, it may look more plump. I think that might be what they mean. But after I wiped everything off, it does have a cooling sensation, like almost like a minty, refreshing feel. I did forget to mention that this is a twist up, so that is very, very, you know, definitely something I enjoy. But also, when I was taking it off, I did notice that it did get away most of my dead skin on my lips. Like I said, I did have chapped lips going into it, so it did take off majority of it, but it did, when I wiped it off, didn't get everything. So, I mean, that just might be, you know, person to person, because I think I did exfoliate my lips last night. I don't know, but it did do a good job. I'm fairly surprised. I am happy they do feel moisturized. I may need to go in for a second time just because my lips are extremely, extremely dry, but I wouldn't hold that against the product. So, the next thing I'm going to pull out of my box, ooh, let me just grab these. Okay, oh, that's not part of the box. And I'll just put this one back. Okay, so I'm not going to be doing any contouring or anything, but this is the Crown Pro Trio brush set. This retails for, excuse me, this retails for $29.99 and uses 3-piece brush trio. Oh my gosh, you guys know what I mean, the trio, to contour your face to perfection. The small brush can be used to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath the eyes. The medium brush The medium brush can be used to sculpt the cheekbones on the perimeter of your face. And finally, the large brush can be used for everything, to set everything into place. And they are like so freaking cute. They do remind me, honestly, like there's a huge glare, but they do remind me of, there we go. They do remind me of the Wet n Wild, especially because they had that little divot in them. Like, this is like the 20th time I dropped something today. Now they do, like I said, remind me of Wet n Wild, even just by how they look. I mean, the white at the top, and then that goes to an ombre. Oop, I got little hairs. It got ombre into a pink, and just the way that the handles are with that little divot where you put your finger. I mean, that just reminds me of Wet n Wild. But who knows? Wet n Wild's been on a copying spree. It seems like. I love Wet n Wild to death, but it does seem like they've been copying someone. But I'm going to mention a possible dupe eventually with that. So I'm going to put those right here. Oh, there we go. And then I'm going to be taking the Vintage Cosmetics Smoke Eye Pencil. And this is what, just keep this in mind, this is what it looks like, this little black eyeshadow pencil. And I'm just going to give it one swatch to my nose. Boop. Okay. Keep that in mind. Now this retails for $21. Jessica's richly pigmented smoky eye pencil delivers an intense jet black definition, creating pencil point precision or smudgy saturated color. The creamy, soft formula glides on the lid without tugging or pulling. Remember, $21. e.l.f. $1, and it comes with a sharpener. I'm going to give it one swatch too. Which one's which? That's all I'm going to say. But I am going to be putting this on after I do I'm going to put this on afterwards because I kind of pulled out randomly out of order. So the next thing we have is the Cover FX Shimmer Veil, and this retails for $28, and it's a multi-use shimmering cream. Cream colors are crease-proof enough for the boldest eye looks, and formulated with a weightless shimmer finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face. And it's used for all skin types. And I got in the shade Amethyst, which is it's a stunning color. Okay, it is a stunning color. It looks to me like a pinky, like a lilac-y pink, but it also, like, if you look at it, it has like some iridescent reflex in it. Now I do have a base on right now, so I'm just gonna be popping that on. And I did swatch this yesterday. I wouldn't really use this for highlighter because there is like shimmer. So I'm just going to put this on with the doe foot and just kind of cut the crease. I don't know why I'm doing this, but whatever. Actually, I'm just going to go on the whole eye. Just do like a little moment. Now I'm just going to do the other eye off of camera, and I will be right back when it's dried down. I will also add my eyeliner too. Okay, so I don't remember if I told you guys, but I did swatch it off of camera and blend it out. It looks like this. Now there is chunks of glitter like in it, so I would not put this on your cheekbones at all. Like, it would be a glitter mess if you have texture. No, this is what I have, and I did put the eyeliner on right over here, but this is just what we have. It looks very purpley on my lid because I did use a taupey base, and there is no fallout. Even like there is loose glitters in it, so I just wanted, like, there's no fallout at all. So I'm just gonna go and grab the other products. Gosh, my cat. I don't remember if I told you guys, but it does retail for $28, so that's the price tag on that one. So the next thing that I have is the Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Palette. This retails for $40, $39.99 is $40. and it says with 6 stunning holographic shades. This is a highlighting palette is essential for any makeup enthusiast. Each iridescent shade is perfect for highlighting and layering to transform any look into something enchanting. Now I already did the swatches, so I have 3 over here. This one is a shift to a gold bronzy color. This one is a blue icy purpley kind of color. This one is a green to yellow kind of shift. Now this one is a orangey, no, this one looks orange but shifts to blue. This one is a pinky, more pinky kind of color, and this one is just a, what kind of color is this? It's like an orangey, like rosy kind of color. It just shifts to that. So these are the swatches. They're very, very stunning. So when you open the palette, you just get 6 colors like this, and you don't get any sort of mirror, and the packaging is so cute. So I'm just going to be taking, I'm not going to put the highlighter on my face because I don't have anything to like hold it down. So I am just going to be taking like this color in the middle, which is the most one that would go with my look, and I'm just going to put it on with a finger, just pressing it into the inner portion of my lid. That's really pretty. And just doing the other eye. It definitely makes it look very, very unique. So I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and subscribe to my channel so you guys can see future videos, and you guys can see the future unboxing video that I'm going to be doing, hopefully like later today. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!